Meaning of ecological.
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 Ecological. The term ecological refers to the relationship between living organisms and their environment. It encompasses the study of how organisms interact with each other and with their physical surroundings, including the air, water, and soil. The ecological perspective takes a holistic view of these relationships, recognizing that every organism and every aspect of the environment is interconnected in complex ways. Understanding these connections is crucial for achieving sustainable development and protecting the delicate balance of the planet's ecosystems. Ultimately, an ecological approach seeks to promote harmony between humans and the natural world, ensuring a healthy and vibrant planet for future generations.